sparkly headband? See my sparkly headband? Oh, see my sparkly headband? Ooh, that's my sparkly headband. Soon you can wear it, because it won't fit me anymore. Okay? Got that deal? Pinky square? No, you won't do it. Good. Yeah. Hello. Hi. 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 Hello. Hello. This is the news channel 855. Hello. Nice to meet ya. Hello, everybody. Nice to meet ya. Hello. Hello. Love you. I'm holding my hand. Hey, I'm gonna give you a hug. Oh, don't put it in. Hey, I'm trying to get her thumb in. Jelly hug. Hey, get it.
Don't put your face on her, please.
Hey!
Like we're holding hands.
Take a picture, Mommy.
I'm recording.
Say hello, Emma. Hello. Hello, everybody. How are you doing today? I'm Emma. I'm a froggy. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. What I want to be when I grow up, I want to be a doctor and help fix people. Or a football player. No, I'm just kidding. Ribbit, ribbit. I want to do ballet when I grow up too. And soccer and football and baseball, everything. I can do everything, 'cause I am. Bye-bye. That was a good one, huh? This is Emma. Say hello, Emma. Did you hear that? That was Emma talking. She said hello. What else do you want to say? She pooped. That's what she said. What else? What else do you have to say? Like, and she does touch me a lot. She did burp. She did burp, though. She's coughing. And she always sneezes. What else? What else do you need to say? Do you need to wave hi? Hello. She's saying, hello, everybody. How was your day? She just waved by herself. What else do you need to say?
Don't put your head in there, okay?
She sticks her tongue a lot. Like this.
But not like you do when you're angry.
No. Look at her. She's a cutie, isn't she? She likes to stare. What else do you need? She says, bye-bye. Are you leaving? She just sticks out her tongue. Look at those feet move. They are moving in groups. She just said, hello, everybody. Say hello. Say hello, everybody. Jordan, we're making a video. Do you want to come in the video? This is Jordan. Stop. Oh, she likes to do that, you know. So.
Okay, do your signing off thing.
Bye-bye. I'm News Channel 8. And that's the news for today. Bye-bye.